Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing great today. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your PayPal photo ID in just 5 minutes, making your account more secure and trustworthy. We all know how important it is to have a verified account, right? So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to head over to the official PayPal website. You can do this by simply opening your preferred web browser and typing in PayPal's URL, or just search PayPal on Google. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the top right corner of the page for the Login button. Give that a click. Now, you'll need to enter your login credentials. This means typing in your email address and password. Make sure to double-check each field to ensure both are accurate because typos can definitely cause login issues. It's always a good idea to periodically update your password to keep your account secure. After entering your information, click the Login button to access your account. Once you're logged into your dashboard, shift your attention to the notifications section, signified by a bell icon at the top right. It looks a little like an alert symbol. Click on it, and you should see a notification prompting you to provide info. This step is crucial. It indicates that PayPal needs more information from you. Click on Provide Info. When you do this, you'll find the option to upload a photo ID. If you can't locate this directly through the notifications, don't worry. You can also navigate through your profile settings. Just click on your profile icon at the top and then select Profile Settings from the drop-down menu. Within the settings, head toward Data and Privacy. This section is designed specifically for managing your information. Here, you'll have the opportunity to update and verify your data. Look for the Upload option and select Upload a Photo ID. This is where you'll submit your official ID document. Make sure your ID is clear, legible, and in one of the accepted file formats specified by PayPal. Once uploaded, double-check everything to ensure accuracy, as any errors might delay the verification process. After submission, PayPal will take some time to review your ID. Verification can sometimes happen quickly, but in other cases, it might take a bit longer. So keep an eye on your notifications or email for confirmation. And there you have it. You've successfully verified your PayPal photo ID. By following these simple steps, you're ensuring your account stays safe and reliable, paving the way for smoother transactions and more trusted interactions on the platform. If you encounter any issues along the way, don't worry. PayPal's Help Center is always available for additional support. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Stay calm, stay clear, and enjoy your secure PayPal experience. See you in the next video.